Moving soon. Staying organized is the key to a smooth and stress-free move. That's why having a solid moving checklist can make all the difference. Here's a quick guide to help you stay on track from start to finish. Start planning early. About 2 months before your move, research moving companies, compare quotes, and confirm your moving date. If you're renting, give notice to your landlord and start sorting your belongings. Decide what to keep, donate, or sell. 6 weeks before moving day, gather packing supplies like boxes, tape, and bubble wrap. Begin packing up things you don't use often, like seasonal clothes or decor. Label every box clearly with the room it belongs to and what's inside. About a month out, handle important paperwork. Update your address with banks, insurance providers, and subscriptions. If you have kids, transfer school records, and don't forget to set up utilities at your new home ahead of time. During the final week, pack your essentials box. Include toiletries, snacks, chargers, and a few days' worth of clothes. Confirm details with your movers and make sure everything's ready for moving day. On the big day, do a final walkthrough to check every room, turn off lights, and lock up. A clear checklist keeps your move on schedule and your stress level low. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactusmovers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.